Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, are you looking for a vacation home in Italy with spectacular sea views, much like you see along the Amalfi Coast, and wanting to spend less than 70,000 euros? Well, guess what? We found you one. This one is amazing. This is one sent to us from Ivan Di Luca at Casa Bella Immobiliare in Scalea. It's in Scalea, specifically in Baia del Carpino. Now, there was a section of Baia del Carpino which was recently fully renovated. Like, they did a whole lot of work down there on a whole strip of houses and whatnot. And this one was renovated and I think a little bit added to it. Now, it's not a huge place. It is probably one of the normal apartments cut into 2 units. So it's not huge, but as a vacation home, it's fully renovated. There's plenty of room for a couple or maybe a small family. And wait till you see the sea views on the terrace. Spectacular. So let's go through it. Now, here you can see from the outside, I'm looking at the back terrace. Now, it's been recently redone. You can see that the all of the coping and everything has been recently done up, and there's new shutters. Now those shutters are a little bit pricey, so that's definitely a value add. And it looks like there's a little storage area there. That's very nice. And it looks out into the back of the Baia del Carpino, which is all very picturesque because it's, you know, there's a lot of beautiful plants there. The gardeners do a good job. And we're going in now. You see there's a stairway going up. Okay, so that's the entrance to the unit, okay? Now this is what they, I think, are using as a bedroom, although there's also a sofa bed upstairs. So you could use the upstairs, you could use this downstairs area as the bedroom. I would probably use this area as the bedroom, although it's a little awkward walking through it, but you'll see why I say that. And it's a pretty decent size bedroom. We're gonna pan through here. There's a closet over there. I wonder if you could take that out and make that into something else. I would probably put a little armadio in there or something and maybe rework that space where it has a little bit of a different function. If for a vacation home, you really don't need that much closet space, right? So I would rework that area that is a closet now and turn it into something a little bit different. Maybe a place where that you have a bed or something like that. But let's keep going. Now here we're going to pan through, that's the staircase, and you can see that it goes down. Now he's showing us the whole of the Soggiorno bedroom area. That closet there, the blue one, is a bed. You open it up and the bed comes down. If you like that, I don't know why they don't just keep the bed down. I mean, if you were going to use this as a bedroom space, which I probably would. I don't care that it's awkward. I think it's a really cool apartment or unit for somebody who just wants a very inexpensive, beautiful vacation home in a really stunning area. But I'll tell you something, Baia del Carpino, the prices are, well, all over Scalea, they've gone up. They've gone up a lot since we started introducing people to the area. So a buy like this in Baia del Carpino, fully renovated, is a pretty good find. Now we're going to the bathroom here. It's a little bit of a shaky video here. I'm going to pause here, but you can see the bathroom is functional. It's not massively big, but you got plenty of room for your little sink and your toilet and bidet and a shower there. There's also an outdoor shower as well. It is a pretty bathroom though. It's very nicely done and a very nice use of the space. Now, here we are outside in the back. That is your view from the back. Very nice. Tons of parking. I will say one thing, even in August, Baia del Carpino always has parking. Now we've come up the stairs and up here you've got this little section, which is really, really cute. You got a beautiful kitchen up there. Now it says it comes partially furnished. I would hope that that means that they leave the kitchen because it's a cute kitchen. There's a red sofa bed right there that you can use as a sofa bed, or you can just have it be a sofa, which I would. But look at this, guys. Also, you have an air conditioning split up there. Look at this, you guys. A huge, huge terrace. Now, it does also have an awning. Yvonne tells me it does have an awning because it gets warm in the afternoons in the summertime. So you have an awning to help keep things cool. And they really do keep things cool. But look at this terrace. It's all brand new and it's lovely. And, oh, I want to point something out. Now, over to the right-hand side of your screen, you can see this little mountain range. Now, this is a point where you can see 3 sections, 3 regions of Italy. You can see Campania, you can see Basilicata, and you can see Calabria, all in from one place, which is really spectacular. That little mountainy thing over there is the Gulf of Policastro, and I'm telling you, the Gulf of Policastro is gorgeous. It makes Amalfi, I mean, it's very much the same as Amalfi. The views and things like that are very much the same. And the area, you know, the trees and the plants and things are very Amalfitana. Look at this. view. Oh my goodness, what a gorgeous view. So here you are, guys. For less than $70,000, they want $69,900. I think it might be a little negotiable, but for less than 70,000 euros, you've got a beautiful vacation home with plenty of room as a vacation home for a couple or for a small family. You got that closety bed downstairs, you got a sofa bed upstairs. You could have a couple of kids, or you could have two couples or whatever, and you could have this beautiful, beautiful space with this amazing terrace. Now, I'm a big one for views, and having lived with a view like that, I can tell you there's nothing like it. Opening up your window and in the morning and seeing the sea out there, there's just nothing like it. So this property is about 55 square meters. It's on 2 levels. It has, you can see, completely fully renovated. Very, very nice with a spectacular terrace. So let us know if you're interested, because I think this one's going to go quick. There you go, guys. See you soon.